Hey, this is Chris Dominguez back with another sponsored ndau Enlightened video. In today's video, we go over step number 10 in getting started with the ndau NFT Forge, which is minting your NFT and listing it on OpenSea. ndau is the world's first adaptive digital currency. As a new category of digital asset, ndau is optimized for a long-term store of value with staking rewards and a goal of buoyancy. ndau provides all the benefits of a digital currency while promoting fair and accountable governance, dependability, and greater safety not found in existing cryptocurrencies. ndau is supported by a decentralized ecosystem designed with built-in economic structures that incentivize both stability and potential for growth. Simply holding ndau in the ndau wallet app allows you to earn additional ndau through ecosystem alignment incentives, as well as a bonus for locking your ndau. For example, you could be earning up to 25% ndau on a 3-year locked account in your wallet app. Visit the ndau.io website for more information. In today's video, we're going to review how to mint an NFT to your Beasy wallet and to list on OpenSea. First, we're going to connect your crypto wallet. The ndau NFT Forge also allows you to mint an NFT directly to your Beasy wallet and then list it for sale on OpenSea in your own OpenSea collection. Here's a walkthrough on creating a new collection in the ndau NFT Forge, creating a new NFT in the ndau NFT Forge, and then listing both the new NFT and the new collection on OpenSea. First, go to the ndau NFT Forge and click the Connect Your Wallet button. Click on the Copy to Clipboard. Next, log into your Beasy wallet and click on the Connect to Website button. Paste what's in your clipboard into the empty URI field and click the Submit button. The ndau NFT Forge will now show you as logged in. Click on the Create button to select and create a collection. Select a collection logo you'd like to use from your computer, then enter a collection name and collection description. When you're ready, click on the Create button. The ndau NFT Forge will display a screen that lets you set the speed of the transaction and will show you how much Matic it will cost to create the collection. Leave the speed set on Rapid and click the Mint Collection button. The ndau NFT Forge will then display a message telling you to confirm the transaction in your Beasy wallet. Open your Beasy wallet and confirm the transaction by clicking the Approve button. The ndau NFT Forge will then tell you your collection has been successfully created. Click the X to close the pop-up message. Click on the Collections menu item in the ndau NFT Forge and you will now see your new collection listed. Now, let's create a new NFT in your new collection. Click the Create button and select Single NFT. Click the Continue button. Click the Pick Collection button to choose which collection you want to contain your new NFT. Select the new collection you just created and click the Continue button. Enter a name for your NFT, select an image from your computer to represent your new NFT, enter a description and a total quantity, and then click the Continue button when ready. You can enter an optional ownership and/or license agreement if you wish. Click on the Continue button to proceed. You can enter optional contributors if you wish, then click on the Continue button to proceed. The ndau NFT Forge will calculate the minting cost for your new NFT and confirm all your NFT details. If everything looks good, then click on the Create button. The ndau NFT Forge will confirm your transaction details. Leave the speed set to Rapid and click on the Mint NFT button. Confirm the transaction in your Beasy wallet as you did previously when you confirmed the creation of your new collection. Look at the Collections section of the ndau NFT Forge and you'll see your new collection that contains your new NFT. Click on your new NFT to view the details. In this example, you can see that we've created a new NFT called John's Pine Tree in the collection John's Tree Collection. The NFT, John's Pine Tree, has a total of 100 tokens available. We will now determine how many of these tokens we want to mint directly to our Beasy wallet, and these tokens will then be listed for sale on OpenSea. Click on the Mint New button to proceed. Now you can select the number of tokens you want to mint. In this example, we want to list 10 tokens for sale on OpenSea, so we're going to mint 10 of them directly to our Beasy wallet. Click the Mint button to proceed. The ndau NFT Forge will show the new tokens being minted in the right part of the screen and will display a success pop-up message when done. Click the X to close the pop-up message. Now that you have your NFTs minted directly to your Beasy wallet, you can take them over to OpenSea and list them for sale. To list your NFTs on OpenSea, you will need to connect your Beasy wallet to OpenSea. Go to OpenSea and click on the wallet icon and select Wallet Connect. Click on Copy to Clipboard. Go back to your Beasy wallet and click the Disconnect from Website button to disconnect your Beasy wallet from the NFT Forge. Now click the Connect to Website button. Paste the contents of your clipboard into the empty URI field that appears on the pop-up screen and click the Submit button. The Beasy wallet will then inform you that it is now successfully connected to OpenSea. OpenSea will then ask you to sign a message to log you into their website. Click the Accept and Sign button and open your Beasy wallet to sign the message. Click on your OpenSea profile icon and select My Collections. You can now see your new collection listed on OpenSea. Click on it to view more details. Congratulations, you've now successfully created a new collection on OpenSea and can now list your new NFTs for sale directly on OpenSea. By default, none of the NFTs you have in your Beasy wallet on OpenSea are for sale. Follow these OpenSea instructions to list a specific NFT for sale, and remember, you'll always need to use your Beasy wallet to improve and sign any transactions. If you'd like more information, go to the ndau.io website as well as like and subscribe for another weekly ndau Enlightened video. If you haven't done so already, download the most updated version of the ndau wallet app and write a review. Please note, I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for informational purposes only. Have a great day and keep stacking ndau.